attempt to remove main power switch from this VBM machine, which is on the side. The first thing you have to do is remove the body. The body is very easy. Flat screwdriver on top. There's two flat screws. They're on both sides. Then you have these set screws here. What this appears to be a 2 or 2.5 millimeter or 5/64 Allen key. I try it. There it goes. They're very easy to come out. Just take your time. Oh, come on. Okay, as I said, flat screwdriver. Bring these out. If you have a power drill, or I really don't recommend it because these are very easy to get out and I don't want you to strip or scratch anything. You're better under control doing it manually. Try the other side. You gotta be careful now because once I remove the last one, this will drop. All right, let's get this going. You may also want to get a little cup or a plastic bag. You don't want to lose any of these. Okay, screws aside, and let's try the top. I took the front one out first because this one just lowers itself down and breaks itself against the floor, not the floor, the table. Okay. All right, that's good. Just slide right out. Okay, the next thing that you need to do to have clearance for the switch is to take this piece out. It's a brain unit. It's only held together by a 7 millimeter bolt here, which comes across it. There we go, 7 millimeter. It's very easy to take off. If you have a socket wrench, you may want to use it, but you don't need it. It's very easy. Screws aside and it should slide right out. There it goes. Okay. And now you have access to the switch in the back, which I'll show you how to do. The power switch is connected in the back. There is a clip, top and bottom, that needs to, it's right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll point it out. It's right here. It needs to be pressed down. Once it's pressed down, that should be able to slide right out. You won't be able to see me, but that should slide right out. There it goes. See, once it's pressed, it comes out, and now the only thing I have left right now is the power switch, and that screws off. I'll show you that in a second. The power switch itself, it's only held in the back by a very, very thin nut back there. What you would need is around a 22 millimeter wrench, or actually even a long needle nose. It doesn't have a lot of force. It's not held down very tight. Let me try with a 22. Yeah, there we go. It's going. Okay. Once you get it loose, you spin it with your finger and it should come right off, as it did. Okay. And it's out. That's that simple. Okay. Goes back on here. It's a little nut, as I said, it's very loose, so you don't need a lot of force. When you put it back in there, tighten it very, very gently. You don't want to do a lot of damage. It will not move. And that's how you remove a power switch. Replacing or putting back the other power switch, one thing you have to watch out for, this is all rounded on this side, except for here. This is where the clip goes over that locks it in. If you remember, you got to press down on here to get it out. So this goes in the same way. You will not be able to put it in any other way, okay? These will not fit. So make sure you line this up with the clip over here. Once you push it in, it locks. That's it, all right? And that's how you do it.